use the ActivPanel as a second screen for your MacBook Pro, first we are going to walk over to the panel and we're going to choose the Screen Share app. Once the Screen Share app opens, we're going to go right into the waiting room by pressing those two little people in the bottom left corner. You'll see the waiting room on the ActivPanel screen on the right side. We're going to go back to our computer and do the steps that we need on the computer. We're going to start by going to the Control Panel in the upper right-hand side of your screen, and you're going to click on Screen Mirroring. Once you do that, you'll see a name that matches the name of your ActivPanel. You're going to click on that one and choose Use as a separate display. Once you've done that, you should show up in the waiting room on the ActivPanel screen. So you're going to walk over to your ActivPanel. You're going to check off that name, the one that matches your computer, and click on the button that says Share. It's going to be that purple button at the bottom. Now you have one screen on your computer and a separate screen on your ActivPanel. And what you can do now is if you drag anything to the right, it's going to show up on your ActivPanel screen. This is really useful if you need to show your students one thing while working on something else on your computer, or if you need to see something different while your students are seeing something on the ActivPanel. This is how you can do it with your MacBook Pro and your ActivPanel.